Oh, crap. Tackle the birds.
What kind of birds are they?
I don't know.
They're close to me. What? They're gonna kill the chicken thing. They're close to me. They're catching bugs.
Mom. What's that kind?
They probably smell the water by fire.
There's not no blood on that tire. There's no blood on that tire, Mom. Come on. I think when I go back to sleep, I'm worried about it.
Oh, that's good. Good. That's a good thing to write about. What's going on? And then they ran over to that tree. And you know they're talking to one another.
That's Kelly's, because Kelly said, Kelly ran over a pigeon yesterday. She's about coming to get her.
You dropped that pigeon?
No, she ran over a pigeon, drove over a pigeon yesterday.
Kelly, we're coming for you. I'm thinking that there's some kind of storm coming.
I don't know.
Because generally animals will act like this.
Alright.
I've never seen anything like this. They're screaming at each other.
That's insane. It's just called news.
Yeah, really. I don't. Is that tornado coming? How far away?
I don't know.
Because that would be the only thing I could think of that, you know, they're chatterboxing about that. I've never seen this. They are loud.
That is amazing.
You have to go to the vet. You can't come out.
I know.
Sorry, dear. Look at that. You don't want to go out. Look at all them birds. Oh, yeah, wait. You'll like them. For that.
Hitchcock would be proud.
Huh?
The Hitchcock would be proud.
I was thinking that. I'm thinking, is this too many birds? Are we going to be tucked in our houses?
I know, close the windows, lock the doors. Stuff up the fireplace.
I know, right? There's a movie called Birds where they attack. All these birds are big hits
You are not coming out.
and attack a house, people.
I ain't coming out. They might pick up like 3 trees.
What?
To that part.
Just pick up 3
Thousands of them. Thousands.
Unless they surround our house, anything else, somehow.
Mainly in this one, I think, now. It's so dark, it looks like it's got leaves on it.
But in
So-
real life, it looks like it has birds on it. So.
That is amazing. Alright, let's go in. Uh-huh. I'm trying to zoom in as much as I can on one if I can see any detail. I don't. Uh-huh. All right, the tree. Uh-huh. Like the tree looks like it has leaves in it. That's how many there. That's how many are in it. You know. Like if you look quickly, you think they're leaves, but they're all birds. I hear some flying. Yeah, I'm right under them now. I am. I'm as close as I can get without climbing the tree. I'll get right under the tree, literally. Right below it. This is as close as I can get. What? Okay. Alright, bye.